Bend is, of course, the golf mecca for all of Oregon with, I think there's 13 courses within, I don't know, a 50-mile radius. I'm a huge outdoorsman when it comes to hiking, biking, the many things that you can do from the river to golf course in one day to hiking, the mountains in the summertime. That's definitely what keeps me here. The backstory, I was born in the Portland area in McMinnville, Oregon. My dad had moved his sign business over to Bend in 2001 and honestly haven't left since. When it comes to my personal goals of real estate, I really got into it because I saw what a real estate agent can do and how they can really navigate, a big purchase of someone's life. I more so just want anybody that I work with to have 100% confidence in who they're working with. The way that I do business, 100% honesty and trust up front and forward, and I take pride in that. The draw to the LAD group is it's the Bend brand. So to be able to put my name with the LAD group is a huge honor. To be able to have a large enough team to have this wealth of knowledge that we can all come together and just create an absolute powerhouse is, to me, there's nothing quite like it. A reason that I continue to call Bend my home is because not only with the 20 plus years of living here, but with the memories that I've cultivated here, the relationships and the roots in the community, it's a place that I see myself living in forever and look forward to sharing with others who want to call this place their home.